class, we're doing a video on the lesson See and Show, chapter 2, this is page 114. So at the top it says equal groups have the same number of objects. Put 2 counters in each group. How many equal groups are there? So right here you can see there are 4 equal groups that each have 2 red counters in those groups, and let's circle. These are the groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups, and each have 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2 counters in them. Okay? And a helpful hint is when there are equal groups, you can skip count to find the total. Skip count to find the total. We're going to skip count by 2s because there are 2 counters in each group. So I'm going to circle my counters. I'm defining my groups right now. Again, 2 here. That's 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Counting by 2s because I have 2 in each group. I've counted them all. My total is 8. Use counters to model each group. Use counters to model equal groups. Skip count to find the total. So right here, if we have 3 groups of 2, I'm going to show you with my counters. Let's make 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Now, if you're at home and you don't have counters, you can just draw some. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I have 1, 2, 3 groups of 2 in each group. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? So now I need space. I have 1, 2, 3 groups. I have 2 in each. So if I'm going to skip count, I see 2, 4, 6. 6 in all. You can double check it. Go back and count each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, that's correct. If I want to show my skip counting, I can put it here just to check my work as well. For my counters that I did here, I would just circle them, make the group. 1, 2, 3 groups. Counting by 2s, 2, 4, 6. My answer is 6. Same thing. Okay. If I go down to the next section, what you're asked to do is describe the groups. Skip count to find the total. Right here, we're looking at all of the counters at the bottom. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. Okay? And then in each group, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 4 groups of 10. If I want to count by 10, I would say 10, 20, 30, 40. Skip counting by 10. So we skip counted by 10 to find the answer. And there you go. Hope this helps.